How to fix Instagram message request not showing. Let's get started. First, you can update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and then search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, launch it. You will land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Profile Picture. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Then, at the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Messages and then search for it. With that, you will get this option, Messages and Story Replies. Click on that option. Now here you're gonna find the section How People Can Reach You. Click on the option of Message Controls. Then click on the option of Your Followers on Instagram. Check in for the option of Message Request. Then head back. Open this option of Others on Instagram. Check in for the option of Message Request and then head back. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Instagram message request not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.